Alice always spends 70% of her salary. Her salary for December was 40% more than that for November. As a result, she spent $560 more in December than in November. How much was her salary in December? So in this case, for the salary in December, or let's say, let 100 units be salary for November. Okay, because her salary for December was 40% more than that for November. Means the salary for December is, in terms of percentage, is equal to 100 plus 40%, which is 140%. So that means the salary December in units over here will then be equal to 100 units times 140%. This will give us 140 units. So the thing is that we also know as a result, she spent $560 more than December than in November. Okay, so that means spent December minus spent in November is equal to $560. So what do we spend in November? Okay, which is basically in this case 70% of 100 units November. This will be 70, and spent on December is basically 70% times 140 units, which would then be equal to 98 units. So that means spent December minus spent November, okay, would then be equal to 98 minus 70, and this will give us 28 units. Since the spent December minus spent November is 560, so that means 28 units is equal to $560 units. So we need to know how much was her salary in December. So December over here, her salary, if we scroll all the way up, is 140 units. So that means 140 units is equal to 560 divided by 28 times 140. This will be equal to $2800. So you see over here. Okay, there you go. So that's the answer. Question 9.